Oh, look at that whip. Wicked hard to get traction. Snow's going down good.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a wicked icy spot. I tried going up that little hill right there, but I don't know. I don't want to go flying over it, but
Yeah.
you can't really go slow on it. Hey, hey! Hit the hill.
The hill?
Yeah, try getting over it. It's all ice on the other side because you got to come down to that road. I think we need to adjust that back brake. I think it moved from when we moved it up because you got to push it wicked far down. It was a lot more sensitive than that before.
Huh. Keep fogging up.
Alright, give it a rev.
Check to see if this car's
some
coming.
nice tires.
If I dump it in the road, I don't think it.
You're good. Yeah. Do some donuts in the road. Oh shit.
You ever done that before? You see the skis?
Oh yeah. Imagine a cop comes down fucking Elm Street or something. Go bucket it inside. Imagine a cop comes down Elm Street right now.
I'd be like,
Yeah. Outrunning the cops, here they come. Holy, that's some snow. That's where I turned around. I fucking pegged it there last night. Back, it was all pavement. I tried doing a single wheelie, but probably should have tried doing more. Because I can't do shit now. Not getting traction.
watch out, over the top. Alright, my legs hurt. Dr. Glansberg is hiking his driveway right now.
Coming down here?
No, up. Must be his Audi won't make it up the hill.
Wait, parked down there?
He parked at the bottom of his driveway and he's hiking it right now. There's a car coming. State police.
Drifting. I didn't mean to go back. Oh, fuck.
A Brett Ripper. Brett, get on it.
Hey. You know how to use the clutch?
Sort of. Squeezed it in.
Well, yeah, I know that.
You let it out slow.
Well, actually, you're probably not going to really have to let that slow because you're going to be fucking spinning. So, yeah, you can just dump it. But, that's still going too?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can just dump it. I'm not going to hold the clutch right now. So, yeah. You don't really need to worry about the clutch when you're starting off, I guess. Use the clutch when you're shifting. And you got to shift all the way up for the higher gears, and first is all the way down. But I recommend you don't go out a second or a third, because
You're probably
going that fast anyway.
Yeah, you won't be able to make anything higher than third for sure.
I don't know, man.
Just do it, pussy.
It's in neutral. All you gotta do is
Don't go on the road if you're fucking that
hold
scared.
this clutch and fucking key.
Just put it right over there.
Yeah, go over there. That's where it's nice and grippy.
Oh, damn! Rolling call!
Drifting with a plow on that motherfucker.
Yeah, what did you just do?
Did you shift down?
No, I just...
Oh fuck! I told you.
Yeah, he's retarded. He told you the wrong thing.
I shifted it into neutral and that
You gotta shift down. Pull
I
that
would've
up.
been smart.
Here, I'll let you kick the fucker.
Oh.
It's easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah, dude, it's easy.
It is easy.
Kicks first try for me, I feel. Let me see.
Here.
No.
It's just the way you kicked it. You gotta kick it smooth. Pull that back in. Hang on.
First now, you gotta let go of this. You don't gotta do none of that yet. Oh boy. It's already in first. No, it's already in first.
Yeah, I know, I'm not.
Okay, you dumped it way too hard.
No,
You dumped the clutch. You dumped the clutch. It's okay. Just let the clutch out slow next time.
Yeah.
Kick
I
it.
forgot that you're gonna be sitting on it, so it's gonna be having some weight. Yeah.
There you go. Now you got it.
Whoa! Oh fuck! Rat! Rat! Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Oh, I'm sorry for the terrible fucking video.
That's really cold. Yeah.
Try shifting it when it gets higher RPMs too. Shift.
Hey, watch out, there's ice.
Go over to John's lawn.
Oh. Alright.
You're not cut out for it? You can't learn how to do it in the snow?
No.
Show him. Show him, Dakota.
No, I just gotta get the whole fucking shifting down.
Yeah, it's not going to be easy to learn in the snow. Riding in the snow is a real hard fucking task.
It's alright. You know, you just keep doing it and you get better at it.
Hold on a second. I think I got something that's gonna help me out.
What is it? Dakota 420? Vroom vroom Dakota.
Vroom vroom Dakota!
A neutral!
What?
I said A neutral.
A neutral.
You got some fucking ice in your mustache.
Yee.
Oh, stalled it!
Yep, done.
The recording hand is cold.
What do we have for time?
14.
14 minutes?
Yep.
Well, this is Vroom Vroom Dakota, and that is a wrap, folks. We are done here. Can you hit it with them?